Hi, my name is James Rice, the VP of Product Marketing at Protegrity. Today I'd like to talk to you about how the biggest challenge to your data may not be those bad actors or the attackers that you're thinking of. It's actually our reliance on outdated security models. For over 20 years, we've protected the data envelope, meaning it's the perimeter, the infrastructure, the application, the identities, or the cloud that data sits on, but never the data itself, which doesn't really make a lot of sense. We are in a new era where there are new data interaction models and new requirements being put on your data by the business. Those requirements are something that traditional security just cannot compete with. Think about this in the context of AI. AI needs more data. It has more dynamic data flows. It's looking to consume more data than we ever thought possible. Data sharing is important for AI, but it's also important for partners and collaboration and external data sharing. Compliance is also not going away. Compliance is becoming more contextual, it's becoming more complex, it's becoming more continuous. And if we look off into the future, we have quantum on the horizon, which threatens the entire cryptographic foundation of the security models that we rely on today. This is what I would call the perfect storm. It's identity and access management, which is really good at getting users access to that envelope, access to those applications. But agents and AI, they don't operate like humans. They operate on the data and on the context of that data at a level below where security sits today. Data security and posture management is great at showing where there's smoke, there may be fire, but no fire extinguisher exists to be able to do anything about it. Data loss prevention looks at every AI model or every data sharing opportunity as an exfiltration to be stopped. But what is it really stopping? It's really stopping the innovation of your business. And the pain is real, and the pain is today. These are not data breaches. These are AI failures. It's a lack of taking models to production. It's a lack of generating the business insights that your organization needs. It's innovation dying in security review. This perfect storm is something that traditional security just can't get past. What's needed to overcome this challenge? We need security that's embedded into the data itself, that travels with the data. Once you do that, data knows its own security. It knows its own purpose. It knows its own context. It knows that it can get the right users or the right machines, the right access to the right data at the right time. That is how you do innovation at scale. We're at an inflection point where AI, data sharing, compliance, and quantum, they're not different issues. They're all the same conversation that is really challenging and showing how fragile the traditional security models are. Going forward, the organizations that are going to thrive, the organizations that are going to lead in the next decade, are those that move beyond the traditional envelope level security and instead embed protection into their data so that they can set their data free, so that they can democratize data for their users, so that they can drive the right business outcomes.